So I've got a 35-year-old Tag watch here. A little hard to see, but it's got a bunch of fog in there because this was a little bit loose and I put my hand in the skimmer basket in my pool and I went ahead and got water inside the watch. I'm going to go ahead, open it up, let it air out, dry it out, and then put it back together. Just using one of these kits you can get on Amazon. Main thing I need is this tool here, so I can grab onto the back of the face. Boy, that does not want to turn. So I'm going to take the band off so I can get a better grip on it. All right. Loosen that up. So now to get the stem out, if you'll look really close, see that little arrow? It's a drawn arrow pointing. That's what it's pointing to. You got to push on that. Just push it in slightly. And then while you're pushing that in, the stem will be released. Take the whole stem out. And the movement can come out. I'm going to let this dry. And I'm going to clean the moisture off the inside of the lens. And we'll put it back together. Okay, everything seems to be dried out. Now we're going to take the movement and reinstall it back into the case. So I just angled that in to where the spindle will go in through there. There we go. So now that's in place. All right, put the battery. We'll get the back cover. Make sure the battery's working. Yeah, I got second hand movement there. And then I'm just going to tighten it up. There we go. So there you go. That's how you remove the spindle and the crown, remove the back, the movement, and the battery, clean it out, wipe it out, put it back together, put a new battery, and cover it back up. And it's ready to go. I hope that helped. Have a great day.